I'm going to share with you the practical steps that you need to follow to really get a handle on the words, the phrases, the terminology, the language of your ideal clients. When it comes to creating compelling messaging around what it is that you do, the most important thing that you can do is to reflect the language that your ideal clients are using. How do your clients describe the problem? How do your clients describe the feelings around the problem that you solve? What language are they using? What phrases are they using? There is that saying, from the horse's mouth. Brilliant marketing comes from the horse's mouth, because marketing, remember, is identifying and satisfying needs profitably. So those needs, those things are driven by people's needs, by emotional states that they wish to see different. What is that for you? What is that state change that you deliver? What problems do you solve for your ideal clients? How do your clients describe the problem? Think about that for a second. There's a subtle difference. It's not how you describe the problem, it's how they do. What words are they saying? What phrases are they using? And what terminology do they use to describe the problem? Because this reflects a lot of things. It reflects the way that they think. It reflects the way that they perceive the world and what they believe about the possible solution. All of this information is so important as you craft a journey of transformation for your clients. So how do we do it? Let's have a look. Hi, I'm Colin. I'm a marketing and online business coach, and we're going to talk today about how you craft compelling messages and how you speak the language of your ideal clients. I'm going to share with you some really practical tools that you can use to start creating compelling messaging. And it all stems from something I call the word bank. So what I want you to do first is to create a word bank. And a word bank becomes your dictionary, your thesaurus. It becomes your encyclopedia of the language that people are using to describe the problem that you solve. So how are your clients articulating the problem? Oh man, it feels like I'm spinning my tires in the mud. Oh, I just wish I knew what to do and when to do it. What are the phrases that people are using to describe the problem? So the first step is to create a word bank of these phrases. Now, I use a process called Prison to Paradise, where we look at the before and after, the prison state before somebody has utilized your service, and the paradise state after the fact, after they've experienced your wonderful transformation. And so create a word bank with 2 columns. How do we describe prison? How do we describe paradise? These become fuel for your sales pages, for your headlines, for your content. All of the marketing assets that you create are driven by the words that your ideal clients are saying and using. So let's look at some tools that you can use to populate your word bank. The first one is alsoasked.com. Here you can type search terms in, and this will generate results that show you the phrases and the questions that people are asking in the search engines. What a great tool to discover and come up with content ideas. Use and play with this. You can look on Quora, you can look on Reddit, and you can identify and explore the questions that people are asking around what it is that you do. You can use Facebook groups. You can explore what people are saying, how people are articulating problems, what questions people are asking in groups around what it is that you do. And a little known research tool to really dive into the way that people are thinking and decipher people's emotions and problems and issues is to look at Amazon book reviews in your niche. Now, we're not concerned with the book necessarily, we're concerned with the reviews. In those reviews are your ideal clients. So what language do these people use when they're describing this best-selling book? Oh, I wish it really helped me to do X, and it's good at that, but it really doesn't answer the question of how do I this? These are the kinds of things that you will uncover. It takes a little bit of work, takes a little bit of effort, takes a little bit of research, but the reward is infinite. Because now what you're able to do, when you craft messaging, you're able to hold a mirror up to your ideal client and reflect themselves back in that mirror. So when they see and hear your message, it resonates. It's like they're looking in the mirror, because it's the words that they use, it's the language that they use. That's when messaging is really powerful. When you resonate, when it touches them because it feels like you're speaking directly to them. That's the secret of compelling messaging. That's what happens when you speak the language of your ideal client. Go and deliver your genius to the world. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do me a huge favor, like the video, share it with people that would benefit, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube and help me to help you. I'll see you in the next video.